Today, we'll be featuring SKX Mod and their Casioak conversion kit for the incredibly popular 2100 series G-Shock. I personally love the GA2100 but never ended up getting one because of the crappy lume it has. Well, now, there is a solution for that. Even though most people will check out SKX Mod as well as some other kit makers to turn the 2100 into an AP Royal Oak homage, which I actually did for my wife's baby Casioak, and you'll get that clip at the end where you can see a very pleasant experience of making it because they send you everything, and I mean everything you might possibly need, together with a detailed step-by-step manual on how to do it. However, my reason for checking out SKX Mod is slightly different. Unlike others who only offer bezels and bracelets that resemble the Royal Oak, SKX Mod went the extra mile and made a completely new case that actually makes the watch thinner than it originally is. That alone makes it better than any other Casio kit out there. But what really makes them the best, and why I wanted to check them out, is the fact they make every single part of the watch customizable. Not only that, but they recently launched a configurator that allows you to play around with different handsets, dials, chapterings, and most importantly, hour markers. I say most importantly hour markers as their kits has allowed me to solve the one issue I had with the GA2100, the crappy lume I mentioned at the beginning. They not only offer regular fully lumed markers, but also offer these cool ones that I went with, where you get a transparent hour marker with a lume nestled inside, reminding me of my Bulova Devil Diver. So after spending literally hours playing around, I made a configuration for myself with an orange chapter ring and those amazing lumed markers in hands, and went with an orange strap that is made out of the best rubber out there, FKM rubber. That one I had assembled by them, as you have the option of getting a ready assembled watch if you don't want to mess around by yourself, or you can go down a more challenging but also more fun route of getting the already mentioned kit and do it yourself. For that one, we chose the smaller GMA S2100 and made a configuration for my wife. What I didn't know at the moment is that both share the same outer dimensions of the kit, and the only difference is the bezel, where mine has a narrower while hers has a wider one, more similar to the real Royal Oak. The crown you see is actually a screw-in tool used to operate the recessed pushers on the left side of the watch. And quite frankly, that is the only thing I dislike and wish they just made 4 regular buttons. It does the job, but I can almost guarantee that within a year, we'll lose ours. As for the quality of the kit, it is simply amazing. The fit and finish, the way everything fits together. They really made an effort, which is why assembling it has been such a joy. So even if you dislike the Casio conversions to the AP Royal Oak, you should definitely check them out for other improvements you can make to the 2100. This orange one was just a test run, so now I'm planning on getting a variant of the 2100 I like the most, and just order a set of hour markers in hands to make a great watch even better. Now sit back and enjoy the assembly process, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.